the color to blue.
Have they completed the project?
They're almost done, just a few details left.
How long have you been playing the guitar?
I've been playing since I was a teenager.
Do you walk to work?
No, I usually drive.
Are they watching the game?
Yes, they're big fans of the team.
Have you joined any clubs?
Yes, I recently joined a book club.
How long have you been practicing yoga?
I've been practicing for about a year.
Does she enjoy reading?
Yes, she reads a lot of mystery novels.
Is he cooking dinner?
No, he's ordering takeout tonight.
Have you ever been to London?
Yes, I visited London last summer.